Are you struggling to install JDK 7 in your Docker container? You're not alone. Many developers face this challenge, and today we're going to solve it together. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when your Docker image doesn't work as expected. You might have everything set up, but then suddenly it stops functioning. It's a common issue, and we're here to tackle it. Here's the situation. One user created a Docker image based on Python, but they need JDK 7 for their scripts. They initially got it working, but now they're facing errors about the Oracle JDK package being unavailable. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the details. So, what could be causing these issues? It seems like the Oracle JDK package is no longer available, and even attempts to install OpenJDK are failing due to space errors. Let's break down the troubleshooting steps to get JDK 7 installed successfully. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can save you a lot of headaches when working with Docker. To begin resolving the user's issue, we will modify the Docker file to ensure that the correct repositories are added for installing JDK 7. First, the user should add the WebUp-D8 PPA repository, which provides the Oracle JDK installer. Next, the user should update the package list and install the Oracle JDK 7 installer. This step is crucial to ensure that the installation process can proceed without errors. After installing the JDK, the user should set the Java Home environment variable. This will help in configuring Java applications to find the JDK installation. Finally, the user should clean up unnecessary files to reduce the image size. This can be done by removing cached files and unnecessary packages after the installation. Fun fact, did you know that Docker containers are like lightweight virtual machines? They allow you to run applications in isolated environments without the overhead of a full VM. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests that the issue may be due to cached layers in Docker. They recommend running the apt-get update command again while discarding the cache. You can do this by adding the no cache option to your Docker build command. If you're using Docker Compose, you can apply the same no cache option to your build command there as well. Now, let's see a response from a different user. An alternative approach suggested by another user is to check your disk space. You can use the command df-kh to see if your disk is full. If there's enough space, but you're still facing issues, it might be due to running out of inodes. In that case, run df-ih to check your inode usage. Here's a pro tip. Always check the official documentation for the latest installation methods and available packages. This can save you a lot of time and frustration. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to install JDK 7 in your Docker container successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.